Beautiful area down through here. You haven't noticed. Right along the railroad tracks here. It's where the train from Blue Ridge comes down through here a couple times a day. There's people out there on the river out there in their little floats and stuff floating down the river. Having fun. Seems to be a very popular thing to do. Yeah, there's some more. Little houses there. Pretty country. There's somebody kayaking out there. 3 of them, I guess. There's some more kayaking. It's a popular sport around here. Here's the old railroad bridge. More kayakers. I'm sorry, more floaters out there. And we're just about up here to where we're going to turn off. Take a little loop in there. There we go. Picture some kids out there having fun. More people out there. People sitting on the riverbanks, enjoying maybe fishing or something there. Sitting in the swings. People just enjoying life. That's what they're doing. This little park here we're in, they have a pavilion. I'll get a picture of it coming back out. It's right down there. That on Thursday nights, it's called Picking in the Park. And they allow stringed instruments to play, fiddles and violins and such as that. And people come, it doesn't cost anything. They just join in and watch what's going on. Just a beautiful little place. We have the Nichols, our Walden and Nichols family reunion down here. Usually that pavilion right over there. Once a year, family gathers together and we tell whoppers and eat good food. This picking in the park area is right here. It's hard to get a good view over there, but yeah. As you see, they've got a stage set up over there. People sit all around out in here in chairs and stuff, and just have a good time. Bathrooms right there available. Parking areas. People out there fishing. This looks like that man's got his child out there. His son looks like standing out there in the creek, wading. You know, life don't have to be like it is in New York and Chicago and Atlanta. Life can be simple. Life can be fun. People just have to try to get along with one another. That's all they have to do. Ain't no big secret. Ain't no big secret. You get right down to it. This is really what life's all about, is having fun.